back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. All right, so we're on to another Patois Chronicles. Chaka chaka, your clothes. Chaka chaka. Watch this entire video. Boom. Don't know in the video. So Achu says Stacey get the American visa, or you might say Achu said the girl Stacey get the American visa, or you might hear them say Achu said the girl get her visa. I tell you, out here in Jamaica, our language, we're just so unique. And of course in English language that means, is it true that Stacey got her American visa? Is it true that Stacey got her American visa? I don't know. It's just a Patois video. Yeah. So alright then, we're going to the other one. I don't know. What you think? Stacey, you get your visa?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
We're on to the other one. Chaka chaka. Your clothes. Chaka chaka. Your clothes. Chaka chaka. Yes, down here in Jamaica, when you're looking at your worst, or you might say not at your best, your clothes chaka chaka. And this simple means in English language that your clothing is untidy, your clothing is looking untidy, or you're looking untidy. So you can mix it up right there. So all about, yeah, you don't know. So when you come to Jamaica, your clothes chaka chaka. I don't know, I'm just say if your clothes chaka chaka. I don't know. On to the next one, fast. Oh, you're so fast. Yeah. You see, here in Jamaica, so in a Jamaican people fast, then we have picture your window if it open. So, may I ask the question, how you so fast? How you so fast? And here in English language, of course, why are you so nosy? Why are you so nosy? But you come here in Jamaica, them are going to ask you, say, you fancy? Yes, guys, it's now another ending here at the Patois Chronicles. And thank you very, very much for the support. Love, more love, more love, more love, and respect, of course. Thank you for watching. See you on Sunday. No, Thursday. See you on Thursday at 6 p.m. Bye.